So you're saying there's humans that call themselves introverts and they say they're better off when they're by themselves? Yes, alien, they said they get exhausted and have anxiety when they're in big social gatherings. Funny humans again! Why is that funny, alien? Humans don't understand that by avoiding emotions like anxiety and hard work, they develop more emotional weakness. So you're saying by avoiding the social gatherings, they corner themselves more and more into a prison? Yeah, and develop more and more anxiety because they're telling brain that situations of gathering is even more dangerous because they're not going, and then brain, to protect them, gives them more anxiety to not go because you told brain it's dangerous. Wait, so you're saying making friends and getting new relationships is normal, that it's challenging for humans? Yes, challenge is good, builds character and emotional fitness. What do you mean with emotional fitness? Human, emotional fitness is like physical fitness, pushing weights. But weights in emotional fitness is motions, feelings. Oh, so by having the emotions and doing what we value anyway, which is making friends and going into relationships, we practice emotional fitness. Yes, humans learning fast. So being an introvert is just a label that humans give themselves to justify avoiding challenging emotions.